Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Hipad Max, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. Let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to make sure that we are on the video one, because the settings are divided between those two categories, those two modes, and they are not in the same place. So let's tap on the video. If it is highlighted in this bluish color, and if you can see this icon changed in the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can enter the settings. In my case, they are right now in the left upper corner, but if you will have different orientation, so you will have the settings in the right upper corner. So let's tap on them, and as you can see here in the video camera section, we've got the video quality at the top. So let's tap on it, and here we've got plenty of options to choose from. We've got 6 of them, 2 HD options: SD, VGA, CIF and QVGA. Basically all you have to do in order to set the video quality is to tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, this one, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen quality to record the video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.